What's up, everyone? So we are back with another Technical Tuesday redstone video. Today we're talking about flying machines. So in last episode, we talked about how to make this 2x2 door right here. Here, do I have it? I don't think I have it linked up anymore. I don't have it linked up anymore. But 2x2 door. And now you have to get up to it, or down to it, wherever. So, what you can do is make a flying machine. If you just, there, that probably wasn't the best block to use. So, flying machine consists of 2 observers, 2 pistons, and 4 slime or honey blocks at an absolute minimum. The way this works is these sticky pistons are sticky pistons, and this observer will notice a change in block. So it'll push this up, which will push these up. But this will notice that, hey, it got moved. There's a change in blocks. And it will pull this up, which will notice this one a change in blocks. Push, pull, push, pull forever. Up until it reaches the piston push limit, which is either immovable blocks or I want to say it's 12 of any block. It's like 8 or 12 or something like that. So you can have an obsidian, a furnace right here, stuff like that. Or you can have something like let's just say a normal grass block or normal dirt block. But instead of 1, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Obviously the piston will stick to that block, but when it keeps going up and down, it'll just hit it still. So it'll go up, it stops, and then block here, it pulls it back down, and it obviously interacted with that floor because you got to do something like another immovable block, like a furnace, obsidian, or glazed terracotta. I think glazed terracotta is a movable block. It just it doesn't stick to it. And then when it goes back up, that pushes, piston push limit stops. It'll also go until it goes into an unloaded chunk. But that is, I'm not going to show that because that would take a little while. And an unloaded chunk is just something that is a chunk, it's not loaded. Someone flies into it, it's like, oh hey, this area isn't loaded. It unloads it and it stops moving. So, obviously, this is how you can make a simple one. There are other more compact versions where if you go up, I want to say it's like that. I know there's other ways. I thought I knew one off the top of my head. I don't. This is the one I generally go for because it's the easiest. So you can do that for a piston elevator. Then there are also on YouTube you'll see big complex machines of them. Where if you see like a walking whatever, I know people have made slime tanks with them. But that is really complicated. I personally do not know how to do that. I mean, I probably could figure it out. It would just be a massive headache that I just don't want to deal with. So you go from there. And then you obviously need a system to launch it. So here I just have a simple piston. Not piston, I mean lever flick. And I was going to do piston here, but I messed it up. So you'd want something very quick. Because here you could probably do, first thing what I would probably do is push this out here. Put something like obsidian here. And then push the block you're going to ride on right here. So then you flick this, you ride up. That slime catches it, that goes there. Then you can have your piston here or if let's say you had a wall here, you can take this piston. Wait, actually no, that wouldn't work because it'll only stick to this block. But you could add in, and how I talked about double pistons earlier in a previous video, so you can go check that out. You could do a double piston to push some blocks up. Here, wait, I need to go down one more. Push, boom, boom, because that, wait, is it? Boom, because then I'd push it up, that'd go up, push it out, and you can do like different complex piston machines to move the block, which will push it up here, and then if you have like something like glazed terracotta, boom, because technically it would actually have to be here, actually. So, boom, whatever system moves it out of the way, probably do wall system, something like that, pushes these up, and then somewhere, some way, you're gonna have a redstone signal going to it. Since this is your writing block right here, boom. What got stuck? I think I just triggered it. Re-triggered that one so fast I like messed it up. I turned it off and back on again so fast, or on and off again so fast that I messed it up. So to let it move first, and then go down. And I'll hit that block, stop moving, and then that's just a simple elevator. There are definitely more complex versions I've seen for elevators that don't involve flying machines. But that's for another video. Those are the simple whole flying machine mechanics. I know this is a shorter video. I hope you guys learned something, and I will see you tomorrow for Writing Wednesday. And make sure you keep on gaming, gummers.